Welcome to Me with Nature, a series where we explore the vastness of the snow-clad mountains, the Himalayas. Previously, we explored the Somgo Lake and came back to Gangtok to rest for the day. After that, we have to come into a hard decision due to unavoidable circumstances. We departed for Darjeeling next day and left Sikkim behind us. For now, we will continue our journey in Darjeeling. Welcome to the Darjeeling arc of Me with Nature. After reaching Darjeeling, we rested for the day and went walking around the city, as we planned to see the sunrise on Tiger Hill the next day.
So, because of the bad weather, came back from Sikkim. Now we are in Darjeeling. Now we are here in the Tiger Hill section to see the sunrises with the Kanchenjunga, and you can see that lots of people are sitting over here. A huge hindrance. Some local people are selling coffees. Extremely clear sky and shivering cold also. So going to experience very nice sunrise with the Kanchenjunga. Let's see what is waiting for us. We can see that in the horizon there are some clouds. So let's hope for the best. Okay.
Although we could see the sunrise atop Tiger Hill, we couldn't see the Kanchenjunga opposite to it due to bad weather conditions. The hype about the sunrise was more than it should have been. The other tourists went crazy over it. I mean, it was actually spectacular, but it didn't amuse me as such. So after all that hype, we were left for Batase Loof sometime later. To our surprise, the weather started to clear up when we visited Batasya Loop, and we finally got an astonishing view of the Kanchenjunga. It said if we see carefully, then the Kanchenjunga appears to be the sleeping Buddha. And it was quite beautiful to see such a prominent mountain range towering above, standing proudly to this day since it was formed. But again, after 45 minutes or so, the weather got worse and the Kanchenjunga hid between the shadows. So after seeing the sunrise and the Kanchenjunga, we went back to our hotel and rested for the day. Overall, it was really awesome watching the Kanchenjunga, sunrise and everything. Well, this was for today and we'll see you tomorrow.